Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel DEOS subscription, DEOS deodorant supplement subscription. So basically when you purchase any supplement on their official website by mistake, if you have activated subscription, so how you can cancel. So basically cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply visit on their official website like trydeos.com, and once you visit on the official website, there is a link or the top side of the website, manage subscription. When you tap on the button manage subscription, you will see this kind of button, this kind of option. You need to enter your email ID, and which is your registered email ID, and you need to provide your all the information related to your email ID, like your email ID. Type your email ID and just tap simple next option, and they will send you a link in the email, and you need to open the link, and after that you can manage your subscription. This is the only way. Okay, now if you have any other issue, there you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.